Hey guys, welcome to the Griffin Loft, and today we got our little man Dante,
old videos.
And he is going to be building what?
An
excavator.
Excavator, crane, 3D puzzle. $3 from Dollarama.
Hold it up, let the people see the box.
It goes forwards and backwards, can be swinged up to 270
degrees?
Yeah, degrees, and here's what it looks like.
There you go.
And easy to assemble, no glue required, no scissors required. May take up to 60 minutes and 1 hour to 20 minutes.
Okay, well I'm gonna
27 pieces.
You want to open it up and let people see what's inside the box? No, turn it over because that's the bottom.
I know.
Turn it over, dude, before you do that. All the way, flip it over. Yeah, no, so the picture's on the top. The big picture's on the top. No, the big picture, dude.
The big picture? Oh, this?
Yeah, it's on top. Yes. Put it down so that's facing you. There you go. Open the box up now. Flip the lid all the way out. So what do we got? We got instructions.
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming over there to help you, bud. So, how many sheets are there?
1.
That's 2. Okay, what else we got?
4.
There's 4 sheets? No, because that's the front and the back. So there's only 4 sheets, 4 wheels.
And then
yeah, so 4 sheets. It's 2 double-sided ones. All right, and then the 4 wheels. Yeah, okay, I'm coming over. I got a little bit of experience with this, so we're gonna back up the video a little bit. We're gonna lift it up a bit, and I'm gonna move in with my little man, and we're gonna get this on the go. Move out of the way. Move the box out of the way for me to come through, but back up a bit. You can go back a lot, actually.
that's good.
Okay. Hold on. Give me the sheet.
Oh, this one's double sided too.
Yeah, they both are, so it's 4 sheets.
Yeah.
Give me the sheets. I gotta put my glasses on. Okay, no. Put that out of the way for now.
Okay.
We're gonna need number 1 and number 2, which are gonna be 1. Okay, we got 1. Oh, there's 2. That's fine. See these instructions.
The engine has flame.
Okay, what are you telling me to go through first?
Easy to assemble.
Give me that other piece. That's why I can't do half of it, because I can't figure out where everything goes. Because you're moving stuff. You gotta pop all the little pieces out.
I got the title.
Have to vacuum after this. No, these all have to be popped out. Yeah, that's fine. So that's that. Where's this flat piece on top?
That piece? I have a piece over here. There's a back side. There's a back side on both of them. Check the back side. There's a flat piece. Here we have some tires. Decked up.
Here's what though. Turn around. So you can't afford to lose anything.
That's cool. And it comes in its own little white display. Under the box.
Good. I need to see the box. That's why I told you not to do what you just did. So that's there.
Don't they show instructions?
No.
I don't.
No. I'll figure it out. I got something figured out already. Okay, we're gonna take a pause, guys, till I get a few of these pieces organized, and we'll be back with you shortly.
I know why it's so hard. It's one star away from hard difficulty.
Yeah, dude, just turn the camera off, please.
Okay.
Figure this out.
Don't play.
All right, guys, so we're slowly moving along here. We've got a little bit more accomplished. About to add the front clip here. If I can get this to work, I think it goes.
Don't you go as far?
No. So I'm gonna have to take this off again. I'm gonna have to take this off. And this off. And I'm gonna have to slide this up a bit. Hopefully I don't have to take everything off.
Yeah, that's
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, it's not a big deal.
It's 4 stars.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
it's a high difficulty rating.
no, number 5 is the highest.
Yeah, well 5 is the highest, but 4 is pretty dang close to the highest, is it not? If 5 is the highest?
Yes.
So, and then with no instructions, it becomes a little bit more difficult rather quickly.
It says instructions included.
Yeah, it's a piece of paper with 3 drawings showing where everything needs to go in like just this rando order. So it's not instructions, dude. Okay. This goes in here like this. Ah, dude. That's looking better.
Yes.
That's that, that's that, that's that, that's that. And then this can go back on. Oh, we didn't pop these out. Oh, it fell. No.
It died.
It's quite messy with all the cardboard pop-outs.
So why would rather you do it on a table?
Yeah, but because of all of the children here, this is the easiest and best place to do it. So unfortunately, this is where we have to do it. Okay, give me back the body, dude.
And we have
let's
a
try this
new
again.
person on the channel, Jackson, on there.
It's not new anymore.
Well, he was.
He was when we came back from Newfoundland.
Wasn't I the oldest person on the channel?
I think I got that one.
No, because that was the oldest person.
I think Nana G's got that one actually.
What?
Nana G's the oldest person on my channel.
What?
She's my mom.
Oh, I'm the third oldest person on this channel.
Well, there's been a few other people, but yeah, of regular people, yes, you are. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay, does that make you feel better?
Yeah.
Of my regular group, you are the third oldest.
Because I was in the oldest video.
Yes, you've been in a few videos over the years.
I was like 5. Or 4.
Okay, that's done now.
You got some progress.
Resolved.
How would I chill that?
Huh?
How are we gonna put the chair back?
Right now we're gonna do it.
And then the wheels?
Wheels are like right at the end, dude.
I'll do the wheels.
You can if you want. It is yours.
I just need scissors.
For what?
This tape.
We need scissors for that.
I don't have any now. Yes, I do.
Alright, there. Now we got front and back, dude. Look at that.
Yeah.
Now, that's the butt plate.
Run this is the 3,000 power. That will last a year.
Good. Back plate. There you go, buddy.
Go. Fall down. There's a little healing thing. What? You have to take everything apart again?
Sorta.
The train drives backwards at the things at the front.
Alright, we're gonna take a pause. I gotta rip apart a bunch of stuff because I've just figured something else out. And we'll be back with you guys in a bit. Dante, you wanna pause the video, please? Dawn?
Yes. He's trying to win this.
Okay.
It believes it can fly. It's on.
Okay, we're back again.
We had to put some parts out and then some parts in again.
Yeah, due to the really sketchy direction, building instructions,
Yeah.
we've had some issues that we're slowly getting fixed. And we're moving along rather rapidly.
There's a number 8. What's that?
Yeah, I know. That's the other arm.
Whoop. It just did spin around.
Yep. That's the other arm.
I think I like
That's the bucket. it's empty. Throw it in the recycling bin.
Nothing?
There's nothing on it.
So we only have one.
I know where everything goes.
You do? Okay. I'm doing the weird. We're going.
Got it figured out, dude.
We finally got it figured out.
You ready?
Yeah.
I have to say, I built a few of these. And by far,
It was easy.
this has been the most difficult one so far.
She's got close to go.
But there. We got that much done. Another piece for the garbage.
This is not supposed to go on.
Another piece for the garbage. Another. Just get down, please. Before you hurt yourself.
There's a piece of it like
Hmm? Yeah, it's going right on the front.
that.
Yep. It goes right and under the bucket in the front. pop it out.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude.
Also, keep
Look at that! Where's that engine piece? It goes right here, bud. Look.
Oh. Hey, what's this?
There's two wheels. You need to take them off.
But there's wheels in there.
Yeah, but you'll see. Those aren't wheels. You'll see. Give it to me.
I'm talking about this thing.
Now it really wants to blow in the wind.
Why?
Because there's more to it for the fan to catch.
So it wants.
Ooh.
So it wants to. It believes it can fly.
Watch.
It believes it can fly.
There's one. See, it goes on the nuts. Okay, no, here. That's those are hard. Here, give me one. Give me one.
It
Please.
really wants to fly.
It really wants to fly.
Yeah, this is the default supervision. What else supervision expired?
Required?
Yeah, needed.
You said required.
This is required.
I don't know. That's why I asked. Gotta give them a good tightening.
They're supposed to move.
They will.
Adult supervision.
Yeah, it says 3+, but I don't see a 3-year-old building one of these kits by themselves. I'm sorry. I mean, Dante's 9, and I'm a lot older than that. And it pushed me to my limits today. I think if we had a little bit better instructions,
Yeah.
it might not have been as big of an issue, but those instructions are absolutely horrible.
And it's cheap.
Yeah, well, hold them up. Show the people the instructions.
It's just cheaper. It shows you one bit of a bit. It said come with tools.
They can come with no rules.
It says ways of using tools.
Oh yeah, it's telling you to use how to pop out everything with the tools that they didn't provide you with.
Yeah. It says do not use other purposes. Yeah.
And look, buddy.
Let's drive around.
All right. I'm gonna squeeze past the camera again.
This can go super high.
I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, and we'll zoom in on that. Yeah, so it's strictly cardboard, guys, and it's cardboard with 2 metal poles and some plastic. It's $3 at the dollar store, and he's enjoying it already. Anyways, guys, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, remember to hit the red button and make it gray. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to know when I update my videos, hit the bell icon. And remember, guys,
Don't let the zombies get you. Bye for now.
he's hiding over there, the jackal.
For the next video.
Alright, have a good one, guys. We'll catch you on the flip side. Bye for now.